I'm going to do an unboxing of this. I think, pretty sure I know what it is. It might be something different. It's a lot thinner than I expected. Well, not so high in a way. Try and, if I can. No, I've got some scissors ready. I tend not to like plastic sort of packing, because I do have a shredder and plastic doesn't go through the shredder all that well, tend to speaking, rather than paper. Yes, it is what expected. USB portable desktop drive for floppy disks. Just a second. These are floppy disks. They have a disc inside, magnetic coated disc inside, that opens up when you put them in the drive. Now, a lot of computers don't come with floppy drives anymore, but I still have some old floppy drives I wanted to use. This is USB. Let me show you the back. Well, got some information on the back. Got some information on the side there. Look at this. So it'll support almost any version of Windows 98 upwards, Mac, etc. So this is what they're saying you get inside. USB portable diskette drive, CD-ROM for drivers, user guide. I'm surprised you get CD-ROM, because it is a USB. And inside we've got a quite smallish instruction manual, one sheet. Looks quite good quality. Let me try and get that reflection out at least on there. Some good pictures. Let me have a quick read. I think it is in English, not Chinglish. Nothing on the other side apart from that. A bit glossy, but good. Then you get the sort of drive itself. Get that out. That's in a, I see. So the tucks the USB cable in round here. So I estimate that cable to be 2.5, 3 meters long. I'm not going to measure it. So it's just a standard USB 2 cable. Very nice. Much sort of, the height is much lower than I expected. Much lower than what I expected. Sort of a semi-gloss, what some people call satin coating on. Looks like powder coated this. There's the front, where you put the diskettes, a button on to eject them. 4 rubber sort of feet on the bottom there. Stop it sliding about. Let me turn that up that way, then you can read this. Possibly even scan the bar graph in. Five volts. Let me try putting a diskette in here. Floppy disk drive. I think I've only got high density yet. When I push that in, the button comes out. Press the button. Let me show you that again. Hopefully you can see that. So now I'm going to plug it in the computer. I'm going to show you a screenshot of the computer. Just let me check underneath this. That folds up and there's nothing else in there. As I say, it's much like lower profile, the height of it, than what I expected it to be. But then I'm used to standard floppy drives, or in the past I have been. So here's my computer. I haven't plugged it in yet. I'm about to plug it in now. No CD-ROM, by the way. Installing drivers. Your driver is ready. That was very quick. If I just click on there with no disk in, it says please insert disk into drive A. So push that in there. Makes a small whirring noise, not too loud at all. And then I can access files on the drive A. You probably hear the heads moving over the disk. Let me try and open this document. It's an old Word document. Makes about the same noise as a typical floppy drive, I would say. And I can access that file. No problems there. I don't want to access any of the exe files here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer these two folders over to, I'm going to copy them and transfer them to my C drive. Okay, and we want to see how fast it goes. Let me just settle down and spinning, because it is spinning now. So right, I'm going to paste these now. I will see, try and gauge how fast. No, I don't see any LED. Oh, there is an LED light there. Small green light. That's very nice. Move this over. The wires could do with being a little bit longer. It's long enough. Then the light's gone out, so it's done them. So you get an idea of the speed of that. Let me copy. Right, here I am. I'm deleting these two folders, and you can sort of get an idea of the speed of these two folders. I'm not sure of the size of them. I mean, floppy drives were never really ever fast. I would say this is about as fast as a typical floppy drive, maybe slight bit slower. It's a bit hard for me to tell. From what I remember, I haven't used a floppy drive for a long time. But this is obviously useful if you have any old floppy disks on your computer. Modern computers tend not to have floppy drives built in. So it's simple enough, just plug it in your USB port and it should recognize the drivers for it. Don't take it out while the drive is spinning. Don't try to take it out. Right, just getting very neat. Well, actually, it's just finished there. I would say that was 6 minutes. Well, what I want to do now is try to format this, see if it will format. Uh, Format. We change this. Just call it blank. So 3.5 inch disc, double density, 1.44. All data will be lost. Yep. Oh, that was very quick. The little green light came on. That was a lot faster than I expected it to be. It would have been quicker to format that drive than delete the files off that drive. So that's a blank drive. Okay. Just wanted to show you that. This is a high density, but I have used the double density, this 720. I think that other one was. Got strain relief there on the back. Yeah, those those feet do seem to stop it sliding. Got strain relief on here. Got a ferrite core, stop interference. So it's not massively long. It's got a little bit of a curve at the back end here. Don't know if you can see that, like going in a bit. So it's got a bit of design to it. Still got the disc in. Let me press the eject button. It's got a bit of a curve here to help you get hold of the disc, as I call them. Now it comes and it's got this flap to try and keep dust out. So yes, I'm very pleased with that. Basically, this can be plugged in almost any computer, laptops with USB, Macs, etc. And you can probably, well, if you had a biggish pocket, you could put that in a pocket. It's not all that heavy. I'm not going to weigh it, but it's okay. Seems quite good plastic, squeezing that. I would imagine there's 4 screws under each of these feet if you want to open it. I'm not going to do that. Quality control mark. Right, that's it. I'm finishing off with that. Otherwise, I'll be waffling on.